Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome once again to EVS Interactive class. As you all know that we are on chapter Human Body, and in our last EVS session we had discussed about human body as a living machine, and we had talked about various organ systems which are present in our body and which help in the normal functioning of human body. Together all these organ systems, they work together, and due to which a human body can work properly. Today we will discuss about one of the organ systems in detail, and the organ system about which we will discuss today is skeletal system. So today we will talk about bones. When you press your hands or your legs, you can press your hand and legs up to a certain extent, but after that you will feel that there is a hard thing inside our hand or our leg which we cannot press. Children, do you know what that thing is? So that substance or that part is a bone. That hard part is a bone. So bone is a substance that forms the skeleton of the body. It is hard and rigid, and it is composed of calcium. Bones make up the framework of our body, and we call the framework the skeleton. So body has a framework of bones known as skeleton, and bones are of different shapes and sizes. Babies are born with 300 bones, but an adult has 206 bones in the body. And these 206 bones, they together make the skeleton. Skeleton is the central structure of the body and is made up of bones, joints and cartilage. Try to move your ear or try to fold your ears, and you will find that you will be able to fold your ears, or you will be able to move your ears. Similarly, try to hold your nose, putting your fingers inside the nostrils, and try to hold the central part of the nose and also try to move it. Again you will find that you will be able to move the central part of the nose. So what is this? Means the part which you are able to move, that part is cartilage. So in ears and in the nose, this flexible part is called cartilage. It also forms our skeletal system. It is a part of our skeletal system. So the skeletal system provides a framework for muscles also. Our whole skeletal system is covered with muscles and gives the body its definite human shape. Now let's discuss about the role of skeletal system in our body. So it plays a very important role for our body, like it works as a support structure. If there would be no skeletal system, then you would be able to squeeze the body like a soft toy, but you can't, because skeletal system is giving support to our body. It also gives a proper shape to our body. And besides this, it protects our internal organs, which are very vital, very delicate, soft, like heart, lungs, kidney, and liver, etc. And it also helps us in movement, bending, and to perform different activities. As joints are present in our skeletal system, so we can perform different activities also. And it also stores minerals like calcium, as we had also discussed that the skeletal system, means bones of the skeletal systems, they are made up of calcium. So bones store calcium also. Again, try to press your hands or any body part. You will find that you can press that part up to some extent. That is because of the presence of muscles on our skeletal system. So the soft part is called muscles, and these cover the bones. Children, there are more than 600 muscles in our body, and muscles help bones to move, play, and work. Means we can perform any activity with the combined action of bones and muscles. Children, did you know that babies have more bones than adults? Babies have near about 300 bones, whereas an adult has 206 bones. This is because many bones in the body of a baby are separate, and with the passage of time, when they start growing, these bones, they fuse together, they join together to form bigger bones. And also you must have noticed that the body of babies are flexible as comparison to adults. Do you know why? This is because babies have more flexible cartilage, which is softer than bone, as we have also talked before also about this, that the cartilage is flexible than bone, which is present in your ear part and in your nose part. So babies have more proportion of cartilage in their body, and as the child grows, some of the cartilage, it hardens and turns into bone, and some bones, they fuse together, and this way the bones present in an adult gets lesser than baby. Children, do you know that you all are at your growing stage? You all are growing day by day, and this is the age when you need special diet, because your bones are also growing. So you need such a special diet that will help you out to build strong bones. So now I am discussing with you some tips that will help you out to build strong bones. First of all, you should take high calcium rich food. Calcium is a mineral that is known for building healthy bones. For this, you should take calcium rich diet like dairy products, for example, milk, curd, cheese, etc. You should take green leafy vegetables, beans, nuts, seeds. All these things will make your bones strong. Take fresh fruit juices along with cereals also. Second thing, you should take vitamin D supplements also, because this will also help the body absorb calcium. And third thing, which is most important, that you should do exercises like walking, running, jumping, climbing, and this type of things, this type of activities are very good for building bones, and these activities will make your muscles also very strong. So keep in your mind these things so that you can grow faster and to have strong bones. So this is all for today's session.